Here we go, look. One arm. Here we go. Here we go. I'm warning you. There you go. There you go. That doesn't mean nothing. You're an undocumented illegal. You're an undocumented illegal. Look at you, you. Look at you. Why don't you come out? You got it. Uh-huh. Open the door. Open the door. Your house stinks like addict. You're a coward. That's what I thought. Open the door. Open the door. Open.
Los Angeles, California. This man had been coming back to the homeowner's door, repeatedly asking to be let inside. But this time, the homeowner finally said no. And what happened next caught everyone off guard.
Who is it?
Hey, Peter, it's Andy.
No, Andy, you can't come in, bro. Sorry.
Hey, just for a little while.
You cannot come in, Andy. Sorry.
Hey, just for a little while.
No, buddy. Sorry. Andy, what are you doing? You think you're ever gonna come in here again acting like that?
Listen to Betty and Jimmy.
And Andy, you broke that trust so badly.
Yep. Yeah, don't ever come back, bro.
People might think twice about helping you in the future. Jamaica, New York. Folks, grab your package on time.
Hey, where you going with that? Hey. Just come in. Somebody just walk in the yard and steal the package.
Fort Worth, Texas. Around 10:30 at night.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a guy named Peyton Brown.
Who?
Brown?
No, you have the wrong house, ma'am. What do you need?
I'm trying to find some information, and I want to know if you know a guy named Bartolome de la Cruz.
No, I don't.
This guy.
You're definitely going to want to hear what she has to say.
No.
It's because I'm his wife, and he's been up here a lot lately, and I
Up
just
where?
want to know at this house, 3905. That's what the address was pinning.
Not at my house. My husband wouldn't allow anything like that.
Yeah, I don't want no problems. I'm just trying to find out if that's the truth, because I need a divorce and he's not willing to sign it, and that's what I'm looking for.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're looking at the wrong place.
All right, thank you, appreciate it, man.
So, what do you think? Is she genuinely looking for help? Brooklyn, New York. One small mistake can cost you the whole car. This guy gets in, starts it up, and takes off in under 10 seconds, all because the car was left unlocked. That's a pretty hard lesson for any homeowner or driver. Henderson, Nevada, after midnight, a woman shows up claiming she's a detective and says she's there for an investigation. But the homeowner, and even some neighbors, aren't sure what to make of it, especially at that hour.
Hi, my name is Detective Theobald. We're investigating an incident, and we believe that our suspect vehicle passed your car. We're wondering if this thing that you have on the top of your house is a camera.
Yes, it is.
It is. Are you home right now?
Actually, we just moved in. I don't think that's the camera.
No, it's not. Is this the only
No, it's
camera that
not.
you have?
I have only the ring. The ring
Okay.
camera.
Okay. And it doesn't capture the road at all, right?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry to bug you so late.
Legit detective? Or something that doesn't quite add up? Let me know in the comments. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Another hard lesson about leaving your truck unlocked.
Hey, you're on camera, bro.
A few seconds of convenience can cost you a whole lot more. Little Rock, Arkansas. Oh, this porch pirate picked the wrong house. He walks up thinking he found an easy package, but little did he know, the homeowner was already watching.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out
out of here! Get the out of here right now! No! Get the out of here!
Yeah, buddy. Definitely picked the wrong porch today. South Bend, Indiana. This guy shows up at the homeowner's door asking for money to get home. But something about the way he was acting immediately made the homeowner feel uneasy.
You can turn that on. Thank you. I'm telling you about the airport, bro. I'm walking. I got ran up by Airwood 2 years ago, and my leg is bad.
I can't help you out of there.
I'm walking, sir. I'm walking.
I'm sorry.
I'm walking. Tell me to spare a couple dollars, please.
Sorry, man. I can't help you out.
You smoke cigarettes? No. Okay.
So what do you think? Genuine situation or something else going on here? Carson, California. Around 3 in the morning, this couple shows up at a house after their truck was stolen. But if you watch their behavior closely, something about it feels a little off.
Yeah.
The way they move around and react definitely raises questions.
No, it just disconnected. Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is so very inconsiderate of me. I don't usually do this. My truck was stolen. We have a ping on it. It was last seen here we've been chasing it for like about an hour. It came across this area. I just need to know if you guys maybe caught it on your guys' cameras. It's a big nice. And it's gray. It's light gray, and it's got a very loud squeak to it. It was pinged around here around 12:40.
Queens Village, New York. This is why you don't want to rely on a weak door to protect your home. Lynwood, California. We've officially reached the point where you have to ask, are even our shoes safe outside anymore? At this rate, folks, maybe the safest place for your shoes is inside the house.
Yeah, they stole some shoes.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like we've got Miss Package Inspector on the porch. She really said, let me see what I got before I leave.
Hello. Hello.
Rialto, California. This is a perfect example of why having an alarm or camera alert can make a difference. Sometimes that few-second warning is all you need to protect your stuff. Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is a hard lesson in why you should never leave your doors unlocked. This guy walks straight inside, opens the garage door, and takes a vehicle like it's just another day. No forced entry, no complicated plan. An unlocked door gave him the opportunity. Indianapolis, Indiana. This man shows up at a homeowner's door at 1:30 in the morning. But here's what makes this one even stranger. Neighbors say he's been doing the exact same thing at other houses around the area.
Hello?
There's one of your black neighbors. Ain't David?
Yeah?
I work at the VA hospital. I'm a veteran. I work third shift. That's why I'm knocking so late. Me and my wife met you one day, but not formally. We just spoke and kept walking our dog. Can I get a favor, sir?
I think you have the wrong person.
No, I'm not the right person. We didn't walk up on you and talk to you. But anyway, I'm one of your black neighbors that keep saying it for a reason. Very few color folk around here. I got a flat, and it's late. I just changed the time myself. I can't call in because I'm security, and I just call in 4 hours ahead of time. Could you please trust me for enough to get a cheap? I plug my tire myself, man. I'm 65 years old. Just trying to get enough to get a can of stop leak when I get to work. I don't want to lose my job. Please.
Signal Hill, California. At this point, it feels like your stuff isn't safe outside at all. Someone might take it, or, like in this clip, they might just destroy it for no reason. Richmond Hill, New York. Check out Fence Ninja Fred. Buddy, that's a whole lot of effort for somebody else's package. Royal Oak, Michigan. This one gets uncomfortable real quick. A guy in a white Silverado is going into backyards, claiming he's a real estate agent. But the homeowner clearly isn't buying it.
Go get him. Get down. Get down. Hi, how are you? Hi, can I help you?
I didn't know you had a dog here.
Yeah, I do. What are you doing in our backyard? That's pretty weird. We have a front door. Why are you in our backyard? You opened our gate and came in our yard?
Yes, I did.
The gate was not open.
I did walk in.
That's unacceptable.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm
Yep.
sorry.
What are you here? Just you know what? Just leave. Just leave. That was. Why would you open someone's back gate?
I thought this was where you guys did ingress and egress. So I apologize.
That's so unacceptable.
I'm not here.
I'm gonna look over my footage and see how you just let yourself into my backyard.
I did. I thought this. I used my back door. I looked at the situation.
That's not public. Just go on and leave. Close the gate that you shouldn't have opened in the first place. It was closed, just like that. Yep.
Reseda, California. At midnight, meet the flower bandits. Buddy, this isn't a midnight garden tour. They really said, why buy flowers when the neighborhood has plenty? Beaumont, California. This little roadside store runs on the honor system. Take what you need, leave the money, and go. But this guy decides to take several items without paying. Henderson, Nevada. At 12:30 in the morning, this woman walks straight up to a stranger's front door and actually tries to open it. Was it an honest mistake? Or was something else going on? Albuquerque, New Mexico. When it comes to protecting your home, a strong door isn't the only thing that matters. Strong, secure windows matter too. At around 8:30 in the morning, this man breaks into a home and starts taking electronics.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, hello? I can see your bike.
But here's the interesting part. The security camera captures a surprisingly clear look at his face, something that could potentially help identify him. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Just after 2 in the morning, this man shows up and starts vandalizing the property. Nothing was taken. But here's what makes this especially frustrating. The homeowner had already dealt with another incident just 2 days earlier. That naturally raises a question. Was this personal or just a very unfortunate coincidence? Either way, imagine dealing with something like this twice in a few days. You'd be pretty frustrated too.
That's where it was last pinged here. I did already call 911. I just need to find it. You live in here? I have.
My family lives in here, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it didn't. No.
Nothing caught? I'm so very sorry to disturb you in the middle of the night.
No, you said around 12:45?
No, 12:40.
12:30 to 12:40.
It was pinged. It was
at
pinged.
12:35.
It was pinged at 12:35.
35. I'm looking at it right now.
12:35. Helps over, like right before and right after.
Yep. And there's nothing.
Alrighty. Thank you so much. I'm so very much to bother you.
No worries. Thank you. I'm sorry.
So sorry. Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Are they simply trying to recover what was stolen? Or is there something else going on here? Albuquerque, New Mexico. This homeowner left the store just 3 minutes before a vehicle came crashing straight into it. And here's what makes this even crazier. There could have been people inside just moments earlier. Thankfully, everyone managed to get out unharmed, while the vehicle was left sitting right there.
Hello?
Hi, would you like to introduce to Purdue University?
I'm a Purdue grad.
All right, thanks. Are we there?
What are you here for? Don't walk through my yard. What are you doing? Why are you here?
Washington, District of Columbia. At 2 in the morning, this woman shows up at a stranger's door and keeps ringing the bell. The homeowner has no idea what she wants.
Can I help you?
Excuse me, miss. Can I ask you a question? It's urgent. I'm Rose. I'm with my mom and my 3-month younger sister right now. Right now, we're going through like a family altercation right now where my dad was just. Right now, I just had a panic attack. I'm coming from the hospital. My mom and my 3-month younger sister are parked on your street here. We're parked. We're trying to get home right now to Suitland, Maryland. And my dad threw me and my mom phones out the vehicle window. And it's making it hard for us to get gas and car change. I was just trying to see if you can help.
Long Beach, California. This individual is seen throwing glass bottles at windows, and according to the homeowner, this isn't the first time. Norwalk, California. At this hour of the night, seeing someone walking around with a digging tool in their hand is definitely something to take seriously. Brooklyn, New York. This one would make any homeowner feel angry and worried at the same time.
Bro. Yo, you need to move from my door, bro.
Don't open the door.
Call the police. We gotta go.
No, come in.
No, don't open the door.
Don't open the door.
Flushing, New York. Watch this one carefully, because this is a perfect example of how a home can get targeted over time. On the first day, this guy rings the doorbell. Nobody answers. Then he comes back another day, rings again, and once again, nobody answers. But later that same evening, he goes around to the backyard looking for another way inside, and eventually he finds one. What happens next is even more concerning. He moves through the home calmly, checking different areas and taking whatever he can. This is why repeated unanswered doorbell visits shouldn't always be ignored. If someone keeps coming back, use your camera's two-way audio and let them know someone is watching the property. You don't have to open the door or confront them. Just make it clear that the house isn't unattended. And in this case, his face was clearly captured on camera, so hopefully that footage can help identify him. The biggest lesson here? Don't just secure your front door. Pay attention to the pattern.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Call 911!
Washington, District of Columbia. At 1:40 in the morning, this woman shows up at a stranger's door asking for their parents.
Yo, who's this?
Caprice.
What?
Caprice.
Is that who you looking for?
No, my name is Caprice.
Okay, how can I help you?
Is your parents at home?
You're the wrong house.
According to neighbors, This wasn't just one house. She had reportedly been going around to several homes in the area.
He never really shows up. Something's wrong with his mind because the Queen of England and John run through that field like forever. And number 3 is typically right there in that big building. Look how big that building is. Zoom out from space. For you again, that's for Brandy too. All the stars, look at those red 5s. You ready for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 red stars because this is a super wolf.
Fort Worth, Texas. Late at night, this woman rings the doorbell, but instead of just waiting at the door, she's also looking around the truck.
Hello, what are you doing there? What are you doing there?
So what exactly caught her attention out there?
Can I get help, please?
No, you're gonna have to call the police if you need help, girl.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can go. It's private property.
Long Beach, California. This stranger shows up asking about the landscaping while also looking through the windows. Then the homeowner remembers something even more concerning. A woman with a similar description had appeared at their door around 2 a.m. just weeks earlier. Coincidence or a pattern? Jamaica, New York. This young man jumps over a homeowner's fence and starts damaging the property. But what he chose to destroy made the whole situation even more disturbing.
Still here. What we do? We're too far from the cookie. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. No, I'm taking it.
Hello? Why are you in my yard?
Collect candy.
Excuse me? Why are you entering my yard? I'm calling the cops.
Oh, yeah.
Get out from my yard. I'm calling the cops.
Come on,
Time out.
I have you on camera. Leave the camera alone. I'm gonna call the cops.
Obviously, I'm so confused. As a human.
I have you on camera. I have your face on camera.
Hopefully, the footage helps the homeowner get some answers.
I do not care. I promise you.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Why do some people see a security camera and immediately try to destroy it?
Hello? Hello? Why are you here? Hello? I'm calling cops.
Henderson, Nevada. At 11:30 at night, this man shows up at a stranger's door with a pretty strange story about his girlfriend.
Hello?
Hey, boss, I know it's kind of late. I'm your neighbor. I live at 681 Pacific Cascade Drive. I walked out, and I don't have a way of contacting the people inside the home. Is there like a way I could call them? I live right here at 681 Pacific Cascade Drive. Third house down.
What are you looking to do?
Just call my girlfriend who's in the home. I don't know if she's asleep or not. I'm just trying to get in contact with her.
I don't have any phone numbers of them.
Wait, if I memorized it, is that okay? I don't need to hold the phone or nothing. You can do it all from inside. I could just maybe give you the number to dial.
He says she lives nearby, but the more he explains, the less the story seems to add up.
I know it's kind of late. I'm sorry about that, boss.
I'm sorry, we're all in bed now.
Do you buy his story? Or does something feel off?
Okay.
You decide. Las Vegas, Nevada. This one is a strange one. A man walks up to a stranger's home and leaves a gold bracelet on the doorknob. No knock, no explanation. Just drops it off and walks away. Neighbors had plenty of theories. Maybe he was checking if someone lived there. Maybe it was a mistake. Or maybe he planned to come back later. What do you think? Weird coincidence or something more deliberate? San Diego, California. Porch piracy is becoming a real headache, and the numbers put it into perspective. According to SafeWise's 2025 report, About 31% of U.S. households experienced package theft in the previous 12 months. That's roughly 91 million incidents nationwide. And here's the important distinction. An estimated 104.3 million packages were stolen. Bakersfield, California. When the sun goes down, these dudes come around, riding through the town, checking every car they can find unlocked. Looks like they're not out for a bike ride. They're out for a door lock survey.
Help! I just need to see my son.
This man keeps coming back to the same home, asking for his son and wanting to use the phone.
Sorry. Yeah, no. Okay, I understand. Okay, all right. Hey, I just need to see my son, okay? No, I don't know where I am right now.
San Antonio, Texas. Vehicle theft is still a serious problem across the country. In 2025, about 659,880 vehicles were reported stolen nationwide, roughly one every 48 seconds. California recorded the most thefts, followed by Texas, Illinois, Florida, and New York. So yeah, lock that car, even when it's sitting right outside.
Hello?
Fountain Valley, California. Very early in the morning, this dude is saying some things that really don't seem to make much sense.
Scouting post.
What do you need? Hello?
All right? Hey, you guys all right? Now, I was just letting you know, like right here across the street, they got like a little scouting post, like over you guys' whole neighborhood. So I don't know if you guys are aware of it or whatever it is, however you guys do it, or, you know, no one's notified me, no, nothing. So I just wanted you to be aware of it, sir, and then I see people in the trees, and it looks like it could view, like, towards your windows and everything like that, so I just wanted you guys to be aware. And I meant no disrespect by bothering you this early or anything. I just mean well. Like I said, my name is Timothy Matthew Martinez, Martinez Sr. Alright? And AKA Timothy Matthew Sr. My date is 525. I don't know, but it's not about playing this on the internet for money or for people to see or nothing. It's about for the truth, to know what's really going on.
What you doing in here?
Albuquerque, New Mexico. These two burglars break into a shoe store around 4:30 in the morning and steal nearly 100 shoes. But here's the funniest part. They took the left shoes only. You just robbed a shoe store and still can't even walk away with a complete pair. What are you gonna do? Start a left shoe collection? Looks like the world's most inconvenient shoe robbery. Brooklyn, New York. This guy walks into a local business and heads straight for specific areas, like he already knows the place. The camera also captured a clear look at his face, his black sweatshirt, and even the symbol on it. He seemed pretty focused, almost like he knew exactly where to look. Was this random, or did he already know what he was after? If you're still here, thank you. Seriously, Every minute you spend watching, every comment you leave, and every person you share these videos with helps Creepy Tub keep growing. And if you want to support the channel even more, you can become a Creepy Tub member by clicking the join button next to subscribe. Your support helps me continue bringing you more real home security encounters like these. And don't stop here. I put another video on your screen. Click it and keep watching. Thanks for being here. Stay alert, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.